This is not your typical how-to video, and this is not your typical screen protector. Here's why. That didn't break because it has one of our ceramic edge-to-edge screen protectors on it. These things are made to withstand the strongest of hits. Just take a look at what happens to a phone that doesn't have one on it. Yeah, this didn't hold up so well. It completely destroyed the screen, and it actually destroyed the back glass too. But this screen's still fine. Still functioning as if nothing ever happened, but I hammered it so hard that it actually broke the back glass. I think it has something to do with the camera bezel sticking out, putting an angle on it. But hey, we know that the screen protector did its job, so let's go ahead and show you how to put it on. All you need is your phone, the contents in the package, and a plastic card. So we'll start pulling the contents out of the package. We'll set the screen protector aside for now. We'll grab the cloth and we'll wipe off any smudges or fingerprints. Try to make this as spotless as possible because the tiniest piece of dust can cause a bubble. Once you've removed all the excess oils, here's a little trick to get all the dust off. You can actually use the screen protector itself. You'll take the plastic edge on the back plate and you just scrape that dust off. If there's any stubborn pieces of dust, you can just grab the dust removal sticker and yank that dust out of there. Once you're sure that you've gotten all the dust off, make sure to move your head around in different angles of light because you probably missed one. I always do. So you'll take your screen protector, then you're going to peel off the back plate, keep it in this position, and then we'll go ahead and we'll line up the camera holes up top and the ear speaker mesh. We'll very lightly apply pressure at the top. Keep it a little loose, and then we'll go line up the bottom. Once they're both lined up, you just drop it. Let it do its thing. If there are any bubbles, you can just simply squeeze them out with a card. Any plastic card will do. And there we go. That's a perfect screen protector application. And if you have any problems with yours for any reason, make sure to reach out to us, email us with your order number, and we'll be happy to get you taken care of. And if you've made it this far into the video, you've likely bought one of our products. And for that, I want to thank you so much for supporting us, the channel, the brand, and gosh, what would we do without you? I don't know what else to say. Oh, by the way, we've got them for iPads too. So make sure to hop on our website, linked in the description, and get all of your devices covered. That way you don't have to come back and pay the big bucks to get your screen replaced. And if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and share these videos, and we'll keep pumping out some great content your way.